Okay, so we're going to start with one of our experiments, okay, in your kit. So if you have this kit, you'll turn to the second page or the third page, and we're going to build what I call a donut sandwich. Okay, so you're going to start with two of the wooden dowels, and then these index cards, and we're going to build a sandwich with our donut magnet. So the first thing we want to do is, if you just lay it down like that, you'll need some tape. The tape didn't come in the kit, but you'll probably need some tape to tape this in. So if you tape one of the dowels, let's flip it over that way. And it doesn't really matter how you do this, just as long as the dowel sticks to the card. And then we're going to stick the donut magnet, which is supplied in your kit, inside. If you want to tape it, you can. Probably not a bad idea, so it'll stay there. And then we're going to take the other card and just put over the top of it, just like we're making a sandwich, right? We got rubber bands in the kit to hold the top card on. And now we're going to use this just like the experiment I did a minute ago, and we're going to see what we can pick up with this. So if I run it over the paper clips, I can pick up the paper clips. Or what if I run over these toothpicks or any of these that are not magnetic? You can see it won't pick it up. Another thing that I want to show you on this is, what does we talk about this magnetic field. Okay, so what will the magnetic field go through? As I showed you here, it will go through paper. Okay, and this is what I want you guys to explore. Okay, what other things can we put on this and see if the magnetic field will go through it? A piece of cardboard. If I add another piece, will it work? Yes. Okay, now what happens if I add a piece of cloth? And again, it doesn't matter. We just want to see what the magnetic field will go through. It wasn't quite as easy, but it still picks it up. Now, let's say you had a piece of wood. Depending on how thick the wood was, the magnetic field might go through it. Another thing you might try is, we also have our little bar magnets. Again, please be careful. These are very strong. You might pinch fingers. If we stick those in there, now we added 2 more magnets. Did it make it stronger? By adding magnets, typically we'll make the magnetic field stronger, and it can go through more items such as wood or whatever.